And we finally just bit the bullet.
Oh, this is the Grey Wolf Fish House.
At Minard's Leisure World.
So what's up first, ladies? They'll never know where we are.
I know.
Wow, ladies, that was a great day out on the frozen pond.
It sure was. I had so much fun with you guys.
I'm buying Derek one of these for Christmas.
Absolutely. Oh,
I
next
guess
time.
we were supposed to use these.
Financing available for as little as $197 bi-weekly.